Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 5 and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll to find the accounts and backup. This is what you will see on this right section, so let's localize the Google Drive and tap on backup data. Now let's tap on next and tap on add account. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation, and here we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me quickly do it. Whoa. At least let me try. Alright, so after entering the email or phone, we have to tap on next, and right now let's enter the password. Alright, we can tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can tap on it and read the information, and I highly recommend to do that. And then let's tap on I agree. Here we've got the information about the backup and storage. However, after tapping on accept, we should have another section. And unfortunately we did not. However, on the previous page we had the information that our device will back up apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. Overall, that was the information. So here we've got the backup section where you can check how much space you've got left, you can manage the storage, and you're able to use 15 gigabytes of the Google account to perform the backup. You can manage the storage, so for example remove some unnecessary files. Under it we've got the backup details, so you can check what has already been backed up, the advanced settings, and I highly recommend to check to keep this option turned off, so you can be sure that you will not be charged for accessing the limit of the mobile data whilst backing up. So to finish everything, just tap on backup now, and from now on your device will back up the data. Of course you have to confirm it with your screen lock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.